Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Keto Cooking with Ron, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when they post the latest video like this one. Well, today we're going to make a favorite summer treat, and I've been experimenting with this particular recipe all summer long, and this is the best one I came up with. We're going to be making a peach cobbler, and this is what we made. And we haven't had any of this yet, and I'm going to have it later, but as you can see, nice golden brown at the top, and I can touch the bottom of the glass because it's been in the refrigerator overnight. And we're going to be making this using canned peaches. I'm sure you're all familiar with that brand. I'm not promoting that brand, but we just happen to have it in my hand in the store, and that's the macros on the back. Now, if you're doing low carb, try to make sure that it's sugar-free. I believe these are sugar-free, by the way. Says if you're doing low carb, you want to try to eliminate as much sugar in processed foods as you can. So what I did was I took a can of peaches, I drained the liquid out, and then I chopped up the peaches in half a little bit with a knife, and then I put a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla extract, a little bit of monk fruit, and then I put some xanthan gum, and that acted like a thickening agent. Mixed it all in together. Then on the apple crumble, on the peach cobbler crumble mix, I put 2/3 of a cup of blanched almond flour, very fine, from a Great Value brand at Walmart's, from our friends at Walmart. And then I put it in a bowl, and then I melted a half a stick of unsweetened butter, and unsalted butter, I should say. And then I poured it over the top of the flour, and then it made like a crumbly mix. And then I put that on top of the peaches in the bottom of the bowl, and then I baked that off in the oven at a preheated oven at 350 for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, and I checked it a couple of times to make sure it wasn't burning, and I got phenomenal smell out of it, and yeah, so it came out really good. And so at this point I'm going to flip the camera around when on the follow-up, and we'll sample it together, and give you my official taste test now I made. But anyways, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the back channel, and welcome back to Keto Cooking with Ron. Well, we made a peach cobbler yesterday. Look at this Came out really good. Put 1 can of peaches and some cinnamon, vanilla extract, xanthan gum, some monk fruit for sweetener, and have a stick of butter and 2/3 cup of almond flour. And that's pretty much it. Look at that, guys, huh? Does that make your mouth water? I'm telling you guys, can I cook or can I cook? So I'm thinking that this would taste really, really good. With a nice scoop of low-carb vanilla ice cream. You got some different brands you can pick up. And you can also make your own out of mason jar ice cream, which I've had plenty of times. But I just wanted to a nice sweet taste dessert, low carb. And the peach cobbler is made from a can of peaches, sugar-free. And yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Now, somebody made me a comment about one of my videos. She had a hard time hearing it. Now, I can hear it on just fine on my PC, so maybe she just needs to turn up a volume. But if that's not the case, I'll make a couple of adjustments on the volume when I edit the video so you can hear it properly. But let me know if you've having that issue or not. But yeah, check that out. Peach cobbler, any time of year. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.